Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your workflow and organization on TradingView, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use TradingView's watchlist flagging feature, a simple but super effective way to keep track of your favorite stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to highlight and sort symbols that matter the most to you, so your trading decisions are quicker and your screen isn't cluttered with noise. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. You can do this right from your browser or using the app if you prefer. Once you're in, you'll notice a clean interface, but what we're interested in is the Products section. Now you might see this at the very top or sometimes on the sidebar depending on your layout, so take a moment to spot it. Clicking Products gives you quick access to different TradingView features. For now, make sure you're in the main dashboard where your watchlist lives. On the right-hand side of your screen, just notice this area is almost always there no matter which part of TradingView you're using. This is your watchlist. Your watchlist is a powerful tool, letting you keep an eye on all the symbols you're interested in. If you're following stocks, FX, or crypto, it's where you'll find them all at a glance. Now, here where the magic of flagging happens, hover over the different symbols in your watchlist. You don't have to click yet, just gently move your mouse over each one. As you do, you'll notice a little icon appear in the left corner of each symbol. It might look like a flag or a small marker. That's your flagging tool. Here's the fun part. You can use these flags to mark symbols that you want to keep extra close attention on. Let's say you have a few stocks you're considering for a swing trade, or maybe some currency pairs that fit your specific strategy. Simply click the flag icon next to those symbols you like. Don't stress about making the perfect selection right away. You can always go back and change your flags later. This feature is flexible and honestly, it's here to make your life easier, not harder. When you click the flag, you'll see that you can actually pick a color. There are several options, so go with whatever makes sense to you. Some traders like to use red for urgent attention, green for trades they're already in, or maybe blue for symbols they want to research further. There's no wrong way, it's just about what helps you stay organized. Think of it like using sticky notes or highlighters in a workbook, a quick visual cue to draw your attention where you need it most. Once you've flagged your selections, these symbols will stand out in your watchlist. This means every time you revisit TradingView, you'll instantly see what's most relevant to your trading without sorting through the full list every time. If you're someone who keeps an extensive watchlist, this feature can really save you time and help you avoid missing important moves. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Just open TradingView, find your watchlist, hover over the symbols, use the flag icon, choose your colors, and you're done. These small steps make a big difference in how efficiently you navigate the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about flagging or anything else in TradingView. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new tips or how-to guides. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.